Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from 𝐾𝐿 Studios, and this is the IPO Corner Show, a show that brings you emerging trends, driving market momentum and related stocks under the spotlight. In today's show, we'll be looking at hot initial public offerings, which are expected to list on the Australian Securities Exchange this month. The Australian IPO market has been flooded with new floats in recent months, with a long list of companies trying to tap Australia's capital market to raise some cash for expansion. There are as many as 12 companies which have been scheduled to go public this month, out of which some are already there trading on the ASX. Last week, gold miner Gold 50 and iron ore mining firm Pantera Minerals were listed on the domestic exchange. Olive oil producer Cobram Estate Olives made its debut today. Their shares opened at $1.87. They're currently trading at $1.82. Mining services provider 𝐾𝐻𝐿 Resources will join the ASX tomorrow. Other new floats that are yet to make their mark in the secondary market are Queensland-based exploration and development company Ballymore Resources, pharmaceutical company Clarity Pharmaceuticals, Chilean copper explorer 𝐾𝐿 Minerals, as well as local gold miner Coonabarry Gold. All are expected to hit the ASX by the end of this month. So let's examine all the important details about these IPOs. From the list of last week's mentions, Gold 50 marked its debut on the ASX on the 6th of August. The gold miner had proposed raising between $8 to $10 million via an IPO, and it successfully raised $10 million before costs. Compared to the offer price of 25 cents per share, the G50 share price was listed at 22 cents per share, an unexpected discount of 3 cents. However, demand from the secondary market soon lifted the price to a high of 29 cents per share on the same day. As of today, the stock is trading at 23.5 cents per share, 6.8% up from the listing price. Moving on, metals explorer and developer Pantera Minerals marked its debut on the 5th of August. The company had proposed to raise a minimum of $7 million by issuing 35 million shares at an issue price of 20 cents per share in its IPO. This is in line with high expectations from the miner. Investors were rewarded handsomely on the listing day itself with a healthy gain of 30%. After the opening tick of 26 pence per share, the stock shot up even higher, closing the day at 40.5 cents per share. Today, the stock is trading at 38 cents per share, still delivering a massive return of 90%. Olive oil maker Cobram Estate Olives started trading on the ASX today. The company is a leader in sustainable olive farming with operations in Australia and the US, and they've built a portfolio of premium brands and invested more than $200 million in operating expenditure and CapEx to support its medium and long-term growth strategies. The company currently has 387 million shares on issue and has more than 850 existing shareholders. Now let's talk about some new floats to be listed this month. Ballymore Resources is a Queensland-based exploration and development company with a strong portfolio of gold, silver, copper, lead and zinc targets located within or adjacent to historic workings. The company has issued a total of 35 million shares at an offer price of 20 cents per share, raising total proceeds of $7 million before costs. The cost of the offer is estimated at around $605,000, the amount of which the net proceeds would reduce. Now, the company is expected to mark its debut at the end of the month on the 31st of August. Let's take a quick look now at the previous week's coverage of upcoming IPO dates so that you don't miss any important listings. 𝐾𝐿 Resources, they're a wholly owned subsidiary of Australia's gold and nickel company Rox Resources. They're set to make their debut on the ASX tomorrow, the 12th of August. Radiopharmaceutical company Clarity Pharmaceuticals expected to start trading on the domestic exchange on the 25th of August. And copper explorer and development company 𝐾𝐿 Minerals will join the ASX on the 17th of August. They've raised a total capital of $6 million at 20 cents a share. And gold explorer Coonabarry Gold is set to be listed on the ASX on the 30th of August. It's looking to raise $10 million through their IPO. 𝐾𝐿 is a wholly owned subsidiary of European lithium miner Vulcan Energy. They'll list on the ASX on the 23rd of August. Gold and copper discovery company Legacy Minerals Holdings will start trading publicly on the ASX on the 26th of August. Now, they intend to raise a maximum of $7 million by issuing 35 million shares at an offer price of 20 cents apiece. LIS Energy is engaged in the manufacturing of lithium-sulfur batteries and is aiming for $34 million through its IPO at an issue price of 85 cents. The company expected to start trading on the ASX on the 30th of August. Another mining and exploration company called Tambora Metal will begin trading publicly on the ASX on the 20th of August. Now, if you've missed any opportunity to invest in these IPOs, then you can look at your favourite companies from the secondary market. That's when the shares start trading on the ASX. However, analysing a newly listed company for investment purposes requires a different skill set than analysing a company with a long history. Therefore, investors must do their own due diligence before investing in an IPO and also seek the help of their financial advisors to properly understand the associated risks along with the potential reward. That's all for today from the IPO Corner. I hope you found this useful. Stay tuned to 𝐾𝐤𝐴 TV for more news on the economy and markets. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.